Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a certificate in Word. Now, this is an extremely useful project for teachers or even business people. And Microsoft Word makes it quite easy for us to make a certificate. Now, we could use a blank document and make a certificate from scratch, but this would be a lot of work. So we will use templates to create a certificate. So click on More Templates right here. And in the search bar right here, type certificate. Now, most of these are not downloaded onto my computer, but if I choose to create one of these, my computer will download it from the cloud. So look at all these certificates. Depending on what your purpose is and what your setting is, you can choose from any of these certificates. So let's go with this one. Click on it. It is already downloaded into my computer. Create. And here is my certificate. Now I can adjust visibility of the certificate by going down here to the status bar and zooming in or out. I would like to zoom out and have full visibility of my certificate. Okay, now I can see the whole certificate. You can see it has a nice border and designs inside. So it's a ready certificate. All I need to do is fill in the information that I want. So right here, company name, all I need to do is click and fill in the information. WA Courses. Certificate of participation. Of course, you can change this. You can write of achievement, depending on your purpose. And of course, I can also customize the font. So if I'm not happy with the font right here of certificate, I can change it to whatever font I like. Okay, let's try this one. I can also adjust the size, the color. Okay, so this certificate is awarded to name and surname, Samantha Thomas. Down here, you can fill in the information that you like. For participating in the WA courses. The date, name and surname of the president. So when you're done with all this information, you can then format the rest of the certificate. So from the Shape Format tab, I could make some more changes. So I could change the fill. So if I'm not happy with the blue, I could change it to green, orange. Okay, let's go with orange. Shape format. Outline, for example, let's make it green. Okay, so you can really play around with the colors right here in the Shape Format tab. Shape effects, positions, and so on. Okay, so I'm not quite happy with the colors here, so let's undo our changes. Okay, this was much better, the default color settings. Now that I am done, I can save it. Save as, name, certificate, and save. Or I could print it. Fill in my print settings and print. Another option that I have here is to export to a PDF document, which is excellent, especially if you need to share the document with someone else. Now let's go back. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.